National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for northern Bradley County, McMinn County, Monroe County, Polk County until 2 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Charleston, or 7 miles north of Benton. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Etowah, Denville, Bullet Creek, Englewood, Mount Vernon, Cobar Creek, and Tellico Plains. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a nearby reinforced building. As a last resort, seek shelter in a culvert, ditch or low spot, and cover your head with your hands. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Friday afternoon for southwest North Carolina and central Tennessee and southwest Virginia. For 1 p.m. area weather roundup at Knoxville's McGee Tyson Airport.